Hello student. Today we go, Today we are going to discuss about the endocrine function of the heart, pineal gland and thymus. So first we discuss about the endocrine function of the heart. Heart also secretes some hormone. Now which are the hormone they are that are secreted from the heart? So heart secrete the atrial natriuretic peptide, brain natriuretic peptide and C-type natriuretic peptide. So these three hormones they are secreted from the heart. Atrial and ventricular muscle cell contain secretory granules that containing natriuretic hormones. Atrial natriuretic peptide. So first natriuretic hormone that isolated from the heart. It is also found in the brain and some other tissue. Secretion is proportional to the degree to which atria are stretched. So, if stretching of atria is more, then atrial natriuretic peptide secreted more. Then brain natriuretic peptide, second natriuretic hormone isolated from the porcine brain. So it is named as a brain natriuretic peptide. It is also known as B-type natriuretic peptide. In human, it is present in the heart and lesser extent in the brain. C-type natriuretic peptide, third member in the sequence. C-type natriuretic peptide, it is present in the brain, pituitary, kidney and vascular endothelial cell. Very little is present in the heart and circulation. So C-type natriuretic peptide is a paracrine hormone. Now which are the receptor on which this hormone act? Three type receptors are isolated. NPR-A, NPR-B and NPR-C. So these are the situation of the receptor NPR-A, B and C. This is extracellular fluid, cell membrane, cytoplasm and Gallen cyclase domain. So NPR-A, it has a intracellular guanylyl cyclase domain and atrial natriuretic peptide has greatest affinity for NPR-A. NPR-B, it has a intracellular guanylyl cyclase domain and C-type natriuretic peptide has greatest affinity for NPR-B receptor. NPR-C has small cytoplasmic domain. It removes the natriuretic peptides from the bloodstream and release later, so help to maintain the steady blood level of hormone. So it is called clearance receptor. Action on the kidney. So atrial natriuretic peptide and brain natriuretic peptide, they produce natriuresis on the kidney. So by increasing the sodium excretion and it inhibit the sodium reabsorption. So by this action is lower the blood pressure, increase the capillary permeability, so it lead to extravasation of the fluid and decline in the blood pressure. It relaxes the vascular smooth muscle in the arterioles and venules. It inhibits the renin secretion and counteract the pressure effect of the angiotensin II and catecholamines. So this is the action of the atrial natriuretic peptide and brain natriuretic peptide. What is the effect on the brain? So atrial natriuretic peptide containing neural circuit in the brain which project from the part of the hypothalamus to the area in the lower brainstem. They are concerned with the neural regulation of cardiovascular system. So effect of the atrial natriuretic peptide in the brain is opposite to those of angiotensin II. So it lowers the blood pressure and promotes the natriuresis. So what is the role on the accept phenomenon? So when the aldosterone is given for several days to the normal person, or in the case of hyperaldosteronism, increase sodium and water absorption by renal tubules leads to increased extracellular fluid volume and hypertension. So 10 to 15% increase in the extracellular fluid pressure diuresis occur. Excretion of the sodium and water in the urine is increased in spite of continuing action of the aldosterone. So this is called escape phenomenon. In spite of continued action of aldosterone, excretion of the sodium and water in the urine is increased. This is due to increased secretion of atrial natriuretic peptide. Regulation of secretion. Atrial natriuretic peptide secretion, it is increased when atria are stretched, and brain natriuretic peptide secretion is increased when ventricles are stretched. Atrial natriuretic peptide secretion is increased when ECF volume is increased following infusion of the isotonic saline or ingestion of the high sodium diet. So central venous pressure is increased. Atrial natriuretic peptide secretion is decreased when central venous pressure is decreased, rising from supine to standing position that lower the central venous pressure. Now pineal gland. So pineal gland, in this figure you can see pineal gland is seen. Okay. So pineal gland is small structure, it is shaped like pine cone. It forms the posterior boundary of the third ventricle and lies under the posterior end of the corpus callosum. It is large in the infants and involutes before puberty, and in adults it is seen as a small concretion of calcium phosphate and carbonates. So that is known as pineal sand. Visible in the X-ray as a radio opaque. It secretes the melatonin. Melatonin, it is indole compound. It is N-acetyl 5-methoxytryptamine. Serotonin produced from the tryptophan It acts upon by serotonin and acetylase to give rise an acetyl serotonin. S-adenosyl methionine, that being methyl group to produce melatonin. N-acetyl 5-methoxytryptamine, that is synthesized by parenchymal cells of pineal gland. How this synthesis of melatonin occur? From the tryptophan. So from the tryptophan, by the action of tryptophan hydroxylase, 5-hydroxytryptophan is formed. In the presence of aromatic amino acid decarboxylase, 5-hydroxytryptophan is converted into 5-hydroxytryptamine. In the presence of N-acetyl transferase plus acetyl-CoA, 5-hydroxytryptamine is converted into the N-acetyl 5-hydroxytryptamine, that is known as N-acetyl serotonin. In the presence of hydroxyindole O-methyl transferase plus S-adenosyl methionine, N-acetyl 5-hydroxytryptamine is converted into N-acetyl 5-methoxytryptamine, that is known as melatonin. So this is the steps by which melatonin is synthesized from tryptophan. Plasma level of melatonin, it shows fluctuation with the nighttime rise. Nocturnal plasma level is much higher in the children than adults, and it declines with the age. Average plasma level at various age group are 1 to 3 years, it is 250 picogram per ml. 8 to 15 years, it is 120 picogram per ml. 20 to 27 years, 70 picogram per ml. And 67 to 84 years, 30 picogram per ml. So this is the average plasma level at various age group. Metabolism in the liver by 6-hydroxylation followed by conjugation. More than 90% of melatonin that appear in the urine, it is in the form of 6-hydroxy conjugates and 6-sulfatoxy melatonin. Synthesis and secretion of melatonin is increased during dark period of the day, and it is maintained at the low level during the daylight hours. Two type of receptors are there, ML1 and ML2. ML1 is a high affinity melatonin binding site, 1A and 1B, melatonin 1 and 1B. ML2 is a low affinity melatonin binding site. Hypothalamus, it is responsible for the circadian fluctuation of melatonin secretion. Diurnal variation is noradrenaline secreted by the postganglionic sympathetic neurons that innervate this pineal gland. Neural pathway, retina, optic tract, suprachiasmatic nuclei of hypothalamus. So that is known as retinohypothalamic tract, that project into intermediolateral gray column of the thoracic spinal cord, that project into preganglion neurons, that project into superior cervical ganglion, that project into posterior ganglion neurons, that will noradrenaline, norepinephrine and pineal gland. So this is a neural pathway, retinohypothalamic tract. Function of the melatonin. Function of the melatonin, role in the circadian rhythm. By secreting melatonin, pineal gland acts as a biological clock. It functions as a timing signal to coordinate the events to the light-dark cycle in the environment. On gonads, sometimes stimulatory effect and sometimes inhibitory effect are there. It varies from species to species and depends on time of injection of melatonin. Play important role in sexual reproductive function, maybe by increasing the secretion of GnRH and sex hormone, inhibit the MSH and ACTH, induction of the sleep. Endocrine function of the kidney. So mainly kidney release various hormones like renin, vitamin D3 and erythropoietin. So renin having the effect via the renin-angiotensin aldosterone system, and it regulates the extracellular fluid volume and blood pressure. Vitamin D3, that is in the form of 125 dihydroxycholecalciferol, and it regulates the calcium level. Erythropoietin, that is regulate the erythropoiesis. So these are the hormones that release from the kidney. It can be asked as a short question and in the viva. And this renin-angiotensin aldosterone system, it is very important for a short note. Thymus. So thymus gland, it is present in the fetus, but after it disappear during the adult life, only remnant particles are there. Small lymphoid structure that located in the lower part of the neck in the front of the trachea below the thyroid gland. This thyroid gland is small at the birth, only 10 to 12 gram. It gradually enlarges till the puberty, 20 to 30 gram. Then it starts decreasing in the size and old age. Its weight about 3 to 6 gram. Sex gland exert the depression effect over the thymus. Histology. Thymus gland having the inner medulla and outer cortex. Medulla having the reticular epithelial cell and few lymphocyte. Cortex having the actively multiplying lymphocyte. Function of the thymus gland. Immunological function. Development of the immunologically competent T lymphocyte. That is the role of thymosin, and maintenance of adequate pool of T lymphocyte. Endocrine function. Thymosin. Thymosin promotes the proliferation of the T lymphocyte in the thymus and peripheral lymphoid tissue. Thymine, that is known as thymopoietin, inhibits the acetylcholine release at motor nerve endings and suppresses the neuromuscular activity. So the hyperactivity of the thymus can produce myasthenia gravis. So this completes the endocrine function of the various organs.